quick little tutorial on Google Voice here. So what we want to do is we want to get to our App Store, whether it's Android, iOS. Go in here, search for Google Voice. You're going to go down here and download it. So I already have it, so it should look similar to this when you log in. I think it takes you through the prompt of finding a number right off the bat. If it doesn't, click those three little lines up here in the top corner. You're going to go to Settings right down here, click that, and then you're going to go to Get a Google Voice Number. You can read through that, and then you're going to search for your number. So ideally, we want to find the clinic that has the same area code. And that's not the right one. I think it's 480 is what I'm looking for. So let's say you have one in Phoenix, right? Or Gilbert, or whatever it may be. Either or, I guess closest to wherever the actual clinic is. So in Arizona, if you're looking for one in Phoenix, you want it to come up as Phoenix on the caller ID, I would choose the one that says Phoenix. If not, it can be kind of close, I think, is good enough there. For instance, like when we do our number, if I do Traverse City, a lot of times it used to pop up as a Cadillac number kind of thing. So set that up. It'll take you through all the prompts there. I'm going to switch to the one that I actually have set up, and I just want to go over a couple settings here. So you go to that same thing. I should show you how to do that. So those three little lines up here, once you have this all downloaded, the settings, go here. Unfortunately, you can't label the caller ID, but what we can do is down here where it says show my Google Voice number as caller ID when forwarding calls, because the way Google Voice works is it forwards it through your current phone and your phone number. When it calls, you want that box checked. That way when whoever's seeing your phone call, it'll come through as a whatever the actual phone number is there. It'll come through as a Phoenix area code, if that's what we were just using that as an example, but that'll come through as a Phoenix area code. As long as you're on Wi-Fi or on your cellular network, it's free. As long as it's a domestic call, it's free. There's no charges for this. So kind of you can play with the settings around and see what you have there. Just make sure anonymous caller ID is not checked and that your show my Google Voice as caller ID is checked. Those are the two big ones to worry about, and you should be good to go. The other settings in here I'm not too sure about. I just didn't touch them and kept them as the same. So hopefully that helps.